Hey y'all, it's me, Jade Mills. That's really weird for me to say. I don't think I've ever said my own name in any of my videos. Anyways, sorry. I'm back and I am ready to give you another, not makeup look, but hair tutorial. I'm about to snatch this wig off and make another one for you. This is going to be a really inexpensive one. It's actually only $25 to make. Yeah, $25. And $30 if you don't already have most of the stuff that I'm about to show you. So, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to start out with 4 big braids in my hair. You can do 2 if you like. I did 4 because whatever, I don't know. I'm also going to have a clear shower cap. I got a bunch of them for $1, and I'm going to do a stocking cap. This comes with 2 in it. You're going to need some wig glue, hair glue, and a blow dryer. This is the type of hair that I used, and this is the picture of it. I just took the hair out of the pack, so I wasn't able to actually film it. So you're going to put the shower cap on and put it all the way over your head. Make sure it goes past your hairline. All your hair is tucked in. And now you're going to put both wig caps on. Sorry, I have a huge head, so this is a little tough for me to do, but you're gonna make sure that it goes all the way down as far as possible, making sure your ears are inside and your whole hairline. Next, I'm gonna start out with the bang. To be honest, there's really no strategic placement of this. I just make sure that the middle of the weft is in the middle of my head, and wherever it kind of lands, it lands. Now I'm going to blow dry it. What I did was I put 2 long pieces at the bottom closest to my hairline, and then 2 shorter pieces to the top. Now I'm going to put the actual closure that came in with it, and I'm putting it really, really close to that last piece from the bang, pretty much directly on top. Now I'm going to start with the back of my hair. I'm taking small, short pieces and putting them as close to the nape of my neck as possible. Now, just a few tracks later, I'm literally doing the same thing over and over, just making them longer and longer and longer. I'm going to start to make them so long that it's going to go from ear to ear, and then now it's going from temple to temple, which, if you don't know what the temple of your head is, just Google it. I don't know how to explain it. But pretty much the front of my head to the front of my head, and you're going to keep wrapping that all the way around. Don't mind that excess part of the net. Once you keep gluing, it's really not going to bother you. So a couple more tracks later, you'll see I'm pretty much to the top of my head. This is where you want to make sure the last track is very, very close to that closure, pretty much on top of that closure, so that it closes it in and it doesn't look like you have any gaps. Now I'm just using my blow dryer to make sure that all of my tracks are settled in and dry, and I am hot. You can see my makeup is running through that shower cap. But I'm done, ladies. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. This literally took me like a half an hour to do, and I'm actually loving it, except for this piece here. I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna cut it all the way up here or not. It got caught up in some glue and I had to cut it, but hopefully it doesn't make me like Pippi Longstockings. This hair is really long, like I said, $25, $30 to accomplish this look. This is a nice, oh my god, my friend wants me to go out to brunch and I'm gonna pop on this bad boy. I haven't named her yet, but I am gonna name her because she's absolutely fabulous. So as you saw, I was able to put a little heat to it, but as you can see, I kept my bang thin. I didn't do too much of the thick, real Chinese bang. I just tried to keep it as natural. I really like it. It's 1B. So stay tuned. I really like to do affordable wig looks, affordable hair looks, because your girl is broke. I'm in college. Like, what do you expect? Anyways, I'm all done for now. Can't wait till Marvin sees me. Like, who is you and what did you do to my girlfriend? Alright guys, I gotta go. But, you know, until next time, bye.